In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export your project as an MP3 file in Clipchamp. If you've created a podcast, voiceover, interview, music track, or any video where you only need the audio, this quick method will let you download it as an audio-only file in just a few clicks. Stick around, because I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy-to-follow software guides. All right, let's get started. First, open Clipchamp and go to the video project of your choice. From your dashboard, either create a new project or open an existing one that already contains the audio you want to export. This could be a full video with background music, a recorded voiceover, or even a screen recording. Once you're inside the editor, make sure everything sounds exactly how you want it. Play through the timeline and confirm there are no unwanted gaps, background noise, or muted tracks. Remember, whatever is on your timeline is what will be exported as your final audio file. Once you're happy with your project, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the Export button. This is the same button you would normally use to export a video in 1080p or another resolution. When you click Export, you'll see several quality options appear. But since we don't want a video file, we need to access the additional settings. Next, click on More Options. This expands the export settings and gives you additional format choices beyond standard video resolutions. A lot of people miss this step because they assume Clipchamp only exports video files, but the audio-only option is located right here, under More Options. After clicking More Options, select the Audio-Only option. This tells Clipchamp that you want to export just the sound from your timeline without any video attached. When you choose audio only, Clipchamp will automatically prepare your file in an MP3 format, which is perfect for podcasts, audio uploads, sharing on messaging platforms, or uploading to music and streaming services. Now that audio only is selected, click on Export to begin the process. Clipchamp will start processing your project. The export time will depend on the length of your timeline and the complexity of your audio, but in most cases, it only takes a short while. You'll see a progress indicator showing you how much time is remaining. Once processing is complete, your MP3 file will automatically download to your computer, or you'll be prompted to choose a save location depending on your browser settings. After the download finishes, you can open the file to confirm everything sounds correct. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Clipchamp project as an MP3 file. Just to quickly recap, open your project, click Export, go to More Options, choose Audio Only, and then click Export again to download your MP3. It's a simple process once you know where to look. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Clipchamp tips and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.